Welcome back to the channel. Today we are tackling another issue on my C5 Corvette. Now, today's basket of problems is I don't drive this car super often, but I kept getting the feeling that every time I took it out, the gas tank was lower than where I left it when it was parked. Everything from like an engine bay perspective and below the car looked good, but I went to fill the car back up, and when doing that, I figured something out. So let's pop the fuel door real quick. Coming back into here, you'll notice that this is spinning and not really coming out. There we go. And this looks like absolute garbage. But this, when you spin it in, isn't really catching for the most part. It's broken, which means I've pretty much not had a gas cap on. As you can see here, it doesn't matter how much you try to tighten this, this just pulls right back out. Now, I also calculate the miles per gallon I get on every tank of gas. This tank of gas was the worst fuel economy I have ever gotten in this car. It was like 16.7 miles per gallon. This dropped roughly 4 or 5 miles per gallon compared to what I usually get. So here we go, how to replace this. 1, buy a new gas cap. This was like $30 shipped online. As you can see, there's seals in this that are still made of rubber and not made of dust. And looking here at this end, you can see that this just clips into place nice and easy. So you can actually access the back here on the other side of this door. If you want, you can pinch it with pliers. I'm literally just pressing it with a flathead screwdriver and then prying it out. Very simple, look at that. Next, take your shiny new one and make sure it actually closes. Oh, look at that, it works. Okay, that is how it's supposed to feel. And then this goes back into this hole here. Very simple. Now you can take your old one and throw it in the garbage where it belongs and save yourself some money from the fact that your fuel is no longer literally evaporating out of your tank. So there you go, quick and easy fix. If you check your fuel economy on every tank, you'll probably notice this before it throws an engine code, but if you wait too long, eventually this will throw a check engine light. I did not wait long enough for that to happen, so I don't know what the engine codes are for that, but hopefully this helps you out. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.